So we're headed back down to Auto Dynamics to go pick up the Subi. I went down there the other day, and when I tried to load the map on the Cobb, it didn't have it for 2005. It was for 2006, and I guess the Cobb access port, Cobb accesses are pretty sensitive to now what year car you have in there. So GST sent me a new map for 2005. I'm going to load that on and see if I can limp it over there tomorrow for a dyno tune, because you know you're not supposed to drive on a fully built new car without getting it pro tuned first. So we're going to head back down there and check it out, try to load this map on, and I'll see how it goes. So I'll see you there. Bye. Let's go see what it looks like now, guys. There she is. Alright, so now we're going to try to load this map.
Where's the...
Second try. Second try.
It's like third try.
Third try.
Oh, is it really? Third try?
We tried once.
Here, you just keep recording everything.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. So now we're going to load this up. We gotta use this. See? We gotta use this right here. Access port manager. And we'll see what happens. Okay. Alright. Let's see this. You can hear me? It is connected to your computer. Let's see how this works. So search for maps. So this one, the 2005. And we'll do...
You're looking at everything underneath too, right? The braces and everything?
Yeah, upload. This map doesn't match the vehicle access port is installed to. Are you sure you want to call this? Yeah. See, that's what the problem it kept saying last time, you know?
Yeah.
Because this is the 05 one now, right? But they said that last time that it wasn't, it didn't match it, right?
Yeah.
So hopefully that this map does not match the vehicle the access port is installed to. It does. Right?
Yeah.
And this, because this time, look, the vehicle.
Really the 05.
Yeah, and I have the 05. Alright.
Good luck.
So now let's eject it.
Are you about to start the car? Okay.
No, we're trying to install the... There you go. See? Let's try this. Ready?
Alright.
You know?
Oh, dude, it highlighted it this time.
Oh!
Look.
Third time
This
is
time
a
it
charm.
highlighted it. Remember the other map is gray. Look. See? Limp map. Remember it was gray last night.
Yeah. And what do you need to go into it?
It doesn't even allow you to go into it. So that was last night. It's locked for 2006. Now look. If we go scroll up. Oh
yes.
shit, let's see. Bam.
Nice.
Okay, load it.
Battery charger.
Chocolate charger right now.
Alright.
Say continue, right?
I don't have it fully charged, but I just want to have to jump around there. Just give it some extra juice. Use way more access for Alright.
Alright, well let me load it this time.
It's loading right
Let's see.
now.
7%. Let's say on. It's still going. It's still
Never mind.
almost there, guys. I'll just show these guys what we did instead. So let's see. It's one of the big things right here. What's this? The Cobb. That's the flex fuel sensor. We had to mount it right here. It usually goes way down in there, but we have a Radium. What's that? What's that? A Radium fuel filter, right?
Go over there.
With a brake brace. So that's pretty cool. And the catch can. This also, Radium oil catch can, normally goes here, as you guys know, back there, but on the GC, it has AC there, right down there, so it wouldn't fit there. So luckily I took out my windshield washer bottle, so it was all there.
What is that thing called?
Parent turbo inlet, still the stock air box, because the cops, you know. I think that's it in there. Oh no, last thing you can't see, but they're down in there. The ID, top feed fuel rails, 1300cc injectors, also with the Blouch turbo. It's back there. You can barely see it, but it's hidden. It's back there. Blouch Dominator 1.5. And I did a actually I did a high flow cat downpipe by Invidia, divided. I don't want it to stink anymore. So let's see. So we'll see if she starts up when we do this third try on the map. Just a limp map, just so I get to the tuner tomorrow, and then you guys will see the dyno tune. It's gonna be exciting. Let me know what you guys think, how much horsepower it's gonna put out with all those mods on it, and then I'll post up the dyno vid the next day. Thanks. Okay, so now we're gonna try to start it with this map. We tried to start it on the stock map that it came with, and well, now with the 1300 injectors, it just flooded like crazy and was smoking. So GST was kind enough to send us a limp map so we can limp there tomorrow for the tune. But that first one didn't load because of that 2006 ID. Now that has a 2005 ID, it should start up, but it is limited to 4,000. Ready? All right, we're gonna try to start it. It's running better. Oh, it's smoothing out, it's smoothing out. Oh, it's smoothing out.
That's good.
Holy shit. It runs. All right, all those mods, it's pretty always scary doing all those big mods at once. You know, to see if it'll start or not. Good. All right. So it looked like she started up pretty good with that map. Thanks, Mike. At GST. Now we're gonna head there tomorrow, and we'll see what she puts down. Let me know what you guys think it's gonna put down, though. The winner will get a whole bunch of stickers with my little part.
Nice.